So thinking about some of the principles that we've been doing, this is just the outgoing shortwave energy. So that's energy that's reflected back. It never gets absorbed by the surface of the earth. Some of it gets reflected by the clouds, some of it by the ground, some of it by the ocean surfaces too, of course. Interestingly, we've got some patterns here. The big numbers are whitish colored. That means there's a lot of shortwave energy not ever making it to the absorption, either reflected by the clouds or by their surface. And then there's the kind of green, and then especially the blue is very low amounts coming back. So if you look in the tropical oceans, you can see very little solar radiation gets reflected back. Why? That's pretty easy. We know that when the sun is high in the sky, that the water doesn't reflect much. Most of it gets absorbed. So that's your example there. But you might say, but wait a sec, look at between Africa and South America. There's a nice white strip right near the equator. What's going on there? Well, that's a cloudy strip. So those are clouds, and then you got clouds as well over the Amazon basin in northern South America. Low numbers in the extreme polar areas, not surprisingly there, because simply very little solar radiation received.